What's up guys, welcome back, Fahzman here. In this video I am going to show you top 10 Android apps. There are more than 2 million apps on Play Store, so it can be little tough finding the cool new apps. So we have selected top 10 apps by user need, download rates, reviews and some of my personal experience. Therefore, we are going to discuss 10 best apps for your Android device that you will love to have on your device. So let's get started. The first app is Fluentty. Fluentty sends cleverly brilliant all-generated responses to your messages with a single tap on your smartphone or smartwatch. Once you set up the app and give the permission it requires, any message that arrives, you will have two options in the notification. Want to type in a reply or use Smart Reply. You simply tap on Smart Reply. You will get various responses based on the message. You can select Smart Reply to see a list of responses that Fluentty generates. It also automatically creates a list of the 10 replies that you use most frequently, saving you the time of having to type them over and over again. This app is free and works with the messengers you already have, including SMS, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, KakaoTalk or Google Hangouts. No need to join a new service and invite your friends. Next app on our list is Snapseed, which is the ultimate photo editing app on Android for Google. The app supports JPG and other formats, which is great since many modern smartphones support RAW. The UI is simple. You get two pages. The first features various handy tools to tune image, white balance, change perspective, add text, change detail, etc. The second page, which is various cool filters like lens blur, HDRscape, Naya, vintage, frames, etc. All the styles and tools can be used, so you have total control on photo while you are editing. All in all, this is one photo editing app you must get, and since it's from Google, it is free. Next is Droop, which is pretty popular app, but we believe that not everybody knows about it yet. The app is not simple phone dialer. Instead, it combines your contacts and communication apps together. Swipe the dots to bring up the dialer. The interface feature list of your contacts on the left, and the right list feature various actions like call, message, email, WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger and more. All you need to do, press and hold the contact and drop it to one of those actions to quickly call or message. The app also includes ton of the new features like contact-based reminders, a built-in auto call recorder for incoming and outgoing calls, missed call manager or set reminders, and automatic favorite views. Android widgets are much loved features, but not everyone loves them because they don't keep your home screen clean and organized. But if I told you, you can get widgets in the notification center, sounds good? The Snap Swipe drawer lets you do exactly that. You can simply add widgets in the app and it supports all the widgets. Enable the app and simply swipe the notification bar and you should see your favorite widgets. Snap Swipe drawer was inspired by the iOS widgets, and its purpose is to provide Android users a way to quickly access widgets, apps and shortcuts without having to leave the current app. It also helps to keep the home screen cleaner, which is great for minimal setups. Are you using your smartphone or tablet in the late night? Twilight may be a solution for you. In experimental scientific studies, it has been shown an average person reading on a tablet or smartphone for a couple of hours before bedtime may find their sleep delayed by about an hour. The Twilight app makes your device screen adapt to the time of the day. It filters the flux of blue light radiation by your phone or tablet after sunset and protects your eyes with the soft and pleasant red filter. You can also manually set the color temperature, intensity of the filter, and the screen dim on display. You have also an option to create a profile, so you can set custom filters for a particular time for bedtime reading. Now, usually I am not a big fan of live wallpaper as they drain too much battery, but touch circle is something I can use every day. So it's a material wallpaper with a circle in between, which by default shows you the date and time. And if you want to set alarm, then you can double tap on it. But the real fun begins when you swipe up the circle. Do it once and it will show you smiley or favorite quote. And if you do it again, then it will show you the calendar events. And of course, you can customize the appearance, position of the circle, and the content, etc. Though it will be nice if the app shows different symbols every day. You can choose your favorite symbol from the list. One of my favorite app is Volume Slider. One of my favorite option on iOS is the option to control volume from the control center. But unfortunately, there is no such option available on Android. And this is where Volume Slider comes in. And what it does it lets you adjust the volume by sliding the edge of the screen, and it does not require root access. It takes some practice to get this right, but once you get the hang of it, everything is buttery smooth. In the app settings, you can configure which volume you want to select, whether it's media, notification, alarm, or whole system volume. Next app is Smart Drawer. Smart Drawer automatically organizes your apps for you. Working on top of any launcher, move its icon on your home screen and that's it. You won't have to move your apps in folders. Everything will be automatically done for you. This app has many features like enjoy the automatic app sorting, like communication, internet, games, media, and settings. Enjoy the automatic app sorting. Hide unwanted apps and protect them with PIN or fingerprints. Use a gesture to open the drawer from any app. But the favorite part is your launcher still works the same way. And when you want to quickly jump into something, open the Smart Drawer. A good music player app is extremely a must-have. And while Google Play Music is a decent music player app, I am not really fan of it. When it comes to a local music playback, well, I recommend you to try out Black Player. The popular music player feature of gorgeous minimal UI with the tabbed layout that even customized to media usage, along with support for standard audio formats. The music player supports gapless playback and sleep timer. It also includes very cool built-in equalizer and bass boost and 3D sound visualizer. To sum things up, if you're looking for a music player with the customizable and beautiful UI along with all the features, Black Player is one to get. At the end of list, the screenshot tool StitchIt, which is recently arrived on Android after making a lot of name on iOS. As the name suggests, StitchIt lets you stitch multiple screenshots for better sharing experience. It especially comes in handy when there are screenshots of conversation, as you can use the app's transparent overlay crop tools to stitch them together to make them look uniform. The app also lets you edit your private info from screenshot or even highlight part of screenshot. The free version includes ads and only let you stitch 3 images at the same time, and also put watermark on it. To remove the ads and unlock features, you have to get subscription, which is quite pricey. Well, this is all for now. Like always, if you enjoyed this video, then give this video a big thumbs up Click on the red subscribe button for more videos. Also share your favorite application in the comment below. Thanks for watching.